Hi friends, today we are going to learn about advantages and limitation of personal sellings. Content created by N. Shweta, first MBA. What is personal selling? Personal selling is where business use people to sell the product after meeting face to face with the customer. The seller promote the product through their attitude, appearance, specialized product knowledge. They aim to inform and encourage the customer to buy at least trial the product. Some sales representatives developed a script for all part of the sales process. Definition: according to Philip Kotler, as face-to-face interaction with one or more prospective purchasers for the making of the personal selling. Personal selling happens when companies and business firms send out their salesmen to use the sales force and sell the product and services by meeting the consumer face to face. According to American Marketing Association, personal selling is the oral presentation in a conversation with one or more prospective purchasers for the purchasers. It is the ability to people to buy goods and services at a profit to the seller and benefit to the buyer. Personal selling is one of the oldest form of the promotions. Steps in personal selling: adapt customer care, promote the product, identify needs, provide accurate and necessary information, represented your organizations, know your customer, create repeat sales. Advantages of personal selling: customer attention, presentation is tailored to individual needs, ability to target customer, ability to cultivate relationship, ability to get immediate action, immediate feedback. Personal selling is face-to-face activity. Customers obtain relatively high degree of personal attention. Advantages of personal selling: it is means of mass communication and not an individual communication. There is a minimum waste of effort and expenditure in personal selling or communication. Personal interview in salesmanship assures attention and interest of a prospect. Personal selling has flexibility. A salesman can adjust sales presentation on a spot to meet objection and reaction of prospect in order to gain actions. Advertisement can attract attention and interest, but usually it is left to the salesman to close the sales and effort transfer of title. Advantages of personal selling: personal selling is the best means of two-way communications. Company is a customer. Top management can be fully informed, such as competition, customer reaction, comments, market trend, dealers demand. The feedback of information cannot be achieved through other means of promotions. In marketing of services, example hotel tourism, personal selling has a unique role. Disadvantages of personal selling: personal selling is the most powerful and effective method of convincing the customer. It has a certain disadvantages. High cost is the primary disadvantages of personal selling. With increased competition, higher level and cost, and higher salaries, the cost per sale contract continued to increases. Another disadvantages of personal selling is the problem of finding and retaining high quality people, which sometimes company may hesitate to adopt personal selling as the promotion. That is, self-service stores are popular in many western country. It many big companies select and train their sales force, systematically develop their sales force. Personal selling is the very effective and indispensable inability to reach some customer effectively. Thank you.